Hey there, it's Brysen from Bold. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a cart tour offer in Bold Upsell. Cart tour offers allow you to display a cross-sell offer right within your store's cart drawer. These offers are a great way to display an offer to your customers directly on the cart drawer as a widget style rather than a pop-up modal. The location of cart drawer offers can easily be changed as well within the app embed settings in your theme. With that being said, let's create a cart drawer offer. The first part of setting up this offer type is adding the cart drawer app embed on your theme. From within your Shopify admin, click Sales Channels, then Online Store. On the Themes page, click Customize next to your theme you'd like to use Bold Upsell with. On the left menu, click the App Embeds icon and enable Cart Drawer Offer by sliding the toggle to the right, then click Save. The position of the cart drawer can be adjusted by clicking the arrow to the left of Cart Drawer Offer, then using the drop-down menu just under Cart Drawer Offer Position to change the position to your preferred location. You can also enable a quantity input box by selecting the checkbox next to Show Quantity Input. Once you are satisfied with the configuration, click Save. The next step is creating the cart drawer offer within Upsell. From the Bold Upsell dashboard, click Manual Offers, then click Create New Offer. In the first section, under Basic Information, enter a name for your offer. This is an internal name that helps you identify this offer between other offers in Bold Upsell. Next, under Upsell Offer Flow, click Set a Trigger. Click the Trigger Event dropdown and select Cart Drawer Widget. Under Trigger Products, I'm going to select Trigger and Upsell on every product, which sets every product as a trigger on the storefront. If you want to use Trigger and Upsell on specific products, use a product selector to choose the products you would like to set as trigger products. Once you have chosen your trigger product type, click Set an Offer under Upsell Offer and enter a title you would like to display for your cart drawer offer. After you enter the title, click Select Products and choose the products you'd like to offer in the cart drawer. For ease of viewing on the cart page, we recommend choosing no more than 3 offer products. For my example, I'm going to choose a coffee product. The most popular and best converting offer we have seen is offering an additional unit of the product that the customer has already added into the cart page. Next, under Offer Options, enable the optional settings that you'd like to apply to the offer. Lastly, adjust the settings under Conditions and Additional Options as needed. Click Save Offer at the bottom of the page. Once the cart drawer offer has been activated, you can go to the storefront by navigating to a trigger product or select a trigger product using the magnify glass on the offers page, then clicking a trigger product title. This brings you directly to the product page where you can add the trigger product into the cart and view the cart drawer offer. As shown in my example, the coffee offer is appearing on the right side of the page in the cart drawer. And that's all there is to it. For more information on Bold Upsell, please visit our help center at support.boldcommerce.com. Thanks for watching.